Welcome to our exploration of timeless elegance. Today, we invite you on a journey through the captivating world of old wooden furniture and its remarkable resurgence in modern interiors. In an age when convenience often takes precedence over craftsmanship, there is a growing recognition of the beauty, character, and sustainability that vintage wooden pieces bring to our homes. This revival not only celebrates the artistry of bygone eras, but also emphasizes a deeper connection to our personal histories and the environments we create. As we navigate through the nuances of this trend, we will uncover how these timeless treasures can seamlessly blend into contemporary styles, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality while promoting a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Rediscovering heritage in modern spaces. The charm of old wooden furniture lies not just in its rustic appeal, but in the stories and memories that each piece carries. With every scratch, patina, and imperfection, vintage items evoke nostalgia and a sense of belonging that new furniture often lacks. As we embrace a more individualized approach to interior design, the juxtaposition of old and new allows for an eclectic yet harmonious aesthetic that reflects our unique identities. This exploration delves into the ways homeowners are creatively integrating these historic pieces into their spaces, breathing new life into traditional craftsmanship while fostering a cultural appreciation for the artistry and history embedded in each item. Join us as we celebrate this fusion of past and present, igniting inspiration for your own home with the timeless elegance of old wood. If you're enjoying this exploration of the revival of old wooden furniture and the captivating stories behind each piece, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our future videos, filled with tips, trends, and ideas for enriching your living spaces with timeless elegance. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty of vintage design. Your support helps us continue to create engaging content that inspires creativity and appreciation for craftsmanship. So, make sure to stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll reveal even more fascinating insights and practical advice on incorporating these stunning pieces into your modern interiors. Let's embark on this journey together, celebrating the art of blending the old with the new. Revitalizing heritage craftsmanship. In today's fast-paced world, there is a remarkable movement towards embracing the beauty of craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. The resurgence of old wooden furniture is not just a matter of aesthetics. It signifies a deeper appreciation for the artistry and dedication that craftsmen have poured into their work over the generations. With an increasing consumer desire for sustainability and uniqueness, modern homeowners are drawn to pieces that embody history, warmth, and individuality. The revival of these timeless treasures goes beyond mere decoration. It serves as a tangible connection to the past, enriching contemporary spaces with stories and cultural significance. Integrating old with new. Modern interior design is witnessing a fascinating trend where the old harmoniously coexists with the new. Homeowners are now adopting an eclectic style that combines vintage wooden furniture with contemporary decor. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal of living spaces, but also fosters a sense of contrast that creates depth and interest. For instance, a rustic wooden table can become a striking focal point in a minimally designed dining room, effortlessly drawing attention while providing a warm, inviting atmosphere. The intentional juxtaposition of different styles encourages creativity and makes each room a unique narrative of the occupant's personality and tastes. Sustainability and environmental awareness. In an era where sustainability has become paramount, the revival of old wooden furniture aligns perfectly with the values of eco-conscious consumers. By choosing to restore and repurpose vintage pieces, individuals contribute to reducing waste and minimizing the demand for new resources. This environmentally friendly approach contrasts sharply with the fast furniture trend, promoting a culture of mindful consumption. Rather than treating furniture as disposable, the renewed interest in old wooden creations signifies a commitment to more sustainable living practices, encouraging individuals to cherish and maintain their furniture as long-lasting, integral elements of their homes. The allure of unique stories. Every piece of old wooden furniture carries its own story, a history that adds character and intrigue to any interior. Whether it is a charming antique sideboard passed down through generations or a rustic chair discovered at a local flea market, these items bring a unique narrative into modern living spaces. Homeowners are increasingly recognizing the storytelling potential of such pieces, using them as conversation starters that invite guests to explore their origins and history. By incorporating furniture with rich backstories, spaces become infused with life, transforming them into more than just physical environments, but rather realms where memories and experiences are shared. Celebrating cultural heritage. Finally, the revival of old wooden furniture plays a significant role in celebrating cultural heritage. Many vintage pieces reflect the craftsmanship and design aesthetics of specific eras or regions, serving as a reminder of the diverse traditions and histories that shape our environments. By choosing to showcase these pieces, homeowners express a reverence for cultural identity while fostering a broader understanding of historical aesthetics. This trend goes beyond surface-level decoration. It embodies a commitment to embracing and preserving the narratives that furniture can convey, enriching modern interiors with depth and meaning. The aesthetic value of age. There is an undeniable aesthetic appeal in the natural aging process of wooden furniture. The warm hues, intricate grains, and subtle imperfections developed over time add depth and richness that newer pieces often lack. Homeowners are increasingly appreciating the charm of worn surfaces, which evoke a sense of nostalgia and authenticity. The patina formed by years of use not only enhances the beauty of these items, but also stands as a testament to their endurance and reliability. In contemporary interiors, the aesthetic value of age is celebrated, merging the allure of the past with the aspirations of the present. Thank you for watching our video on the revival of old wooden furniture. We hope you found it inspiring and informative as we explored the captivating blend of history and modern design. If you enjoyed the content, we would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Your support helps us create even more engaging content that celebrates the beauty of craftsmanship and innovative interior design. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who might find it valuable. Together, we can inspire a greater appreciation for timeless elegance in our homes. Once again, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more enriching experiences with you in the future.